Welcome to Browser in Seconds. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to enable tab groups here in Google Chrome on a PC. So for example, you have multiple tabs open. So what you're gonna do is hover over one of the tabs and then right click on it and then click add tab to new group. So you can put a name on this. So for example, priority visit. Then you can choose a color from here, then that one. So for example, if we want to add this tab to priority visit, just hold it and then hover over that particular area. And if you see like it is already included in the same color of the tab group, it means that it is already included. So once you click this one, as you can see, there are two tabs under this tab group, and click this one, it will organize all of it. Like it will put inside of it and then click it once again so that it will show the tabs inside that tab group. And there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.